Is anybody out there? Are we alone in our universe? Is there any other intelligent life out there? These questions have been on humanity's mind since the dawn of time. Even though our understanding of the universe has grown tremendously, are we any closer to discovering the truth? While there have been many sightings of UFOs and other unexplained phenomena, there is one event that has puzzled scientists and sparked people's imaginations. This event is commonly referred to as the WOW event. Let's take a look at this incredible discovery and see if we have finally solved the mystery. Jerry Ayman is an American astronomer who made an important discovery in 1977 that is still considered one of the most significant events in the history of astronomy. Ayman was a professor at Ohio State University and was working on the SETI project at the time. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is an ongoing effort to detect and receive signals from extraterrestrial sources. SETI is a scientific program devoted to finding evidence of intelligent life outside of Earth. SETI research is conducted by scientists, engineers, and other specialists who are passionate about the possibility of alien life. The general idea behind SETI is simple. If we can detect a signal from a distant star system, then we may be able to learn something about the intelligence behind it. The most common form of SETI research involves the use of highly sensitive radio telescopes to scan the sky for any signs of a signal. This kind of research is known as passive SETI because it only involves listening. SETI researchers have also begun to look for signs of artificial structures that could be evidence of intelligent life. These structures could be anything from radio towers to massive orbital facilities. SETI researchers have also been looking for signs of technosignatures, which are chemical or physical signatures that may be left behind by advanced civilizations. SETI researchers have so far been unsuccessful in their search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Despite this, SETI researchers remain hopeful. The search for life beyond Earth has become a major area of scientific inquiry, and SETI researchers believe that the evidence of intelligent life is out there, just waiting to be discovered. SETI research is an important part of the scientific community and is likely to remain so in the future. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a long and difficult one, but it is an effort that could yield amazing results. Just imagine what would happen if one day we received a signal from beyond our galaxy. Maybe we already did? On August 15, 1977, the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University received a very strong signal that lasted for 72 seconds. Jerry Ayman was excited, and he was the first to recognize the significance of the signal, and he wrote the word "wow" next to the data on the printout. The signal was so strong and clear that it was deemed to be of extraterrestrial origin, and it was subsequently named the WOW signal in honor of Ayman's reaction. The signal was the strongest evidence for the existence of extraterrestrial life ever detected, and it was the first time that an artificial signal had been detected from outside our solar system. The signal was 30 times stronger than the background noise, and it seemed to come from the constellation Sagittarius. Located in the southern hemisphere, Sagittarius is one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky. It can be seen from November through February and is best viewed in the early evening. It is the 15th largest constellation in the sky, covering an area of 867 square degrees. Sagittarius is the 9th sign of the zodiac and the symbol of the archer. This constellation is made up of two main stars, Alpha and Beta Sagittarii, and a number of other stars and asterisms. Alpha Sagittarii, also known as Rukbat, is the brightest star in the constellation and is located at the bottom of the bow. Beta Sagittarii, or Caius Media, is the second brightest star and is located at the top of the bow. Sagittarius is home to many interesting deep sky objects, including the Lagoon Nebula, Omega Nebula, and the Trifid Nebula. It is also home to the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy, a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way. The constellation is also associated with the Teapot, an asterism made up of stars from Sagittarius, Ophiuchus, Scorpius, and Aquila. A Sagittarius has been a part of human mythology for thousands of years. In Greek mythology, it is associated with the centaur Charon, who was a teacher and mentor to many of the gods. In Chinese mythology, the stars of Sagittarius represent the three envoys, three wise men, who visited the Emperor Yao to discuss the proper way to rule. In Hindu mythology, Sagittarius is associated with the god of war, Indra. Sagittarius is an interesting and recognizable constellation that is sure to capture your attention when it is visible in the night sky. Whether you're interested in its mythology, its stars, or its deep sky objects, Sagittarius is sure to be a fascinating sight to behold. Sagittarius is home to a number of stars, many of which have planets orbiting them. The brightest star in the constellation is Caius Australis, or Epsilon Sagittarii. It is a blue-white star located around 190 light-years away from Earth and has two planets orbiting it. Both planets are gas giants, and the outermost one, Epsilon Sagittarii b, is believed to be a hot Jupiter due to its close proximity to its star. Another star in Sagittarius with planets is Nunki, or Sigma Sagittarii. It is a binary star with two stars orbiting each other and a planet orbiting the brighter of the two stars. The planet is a gas giant about the same size as Jupiter and is believed to be very hot due to its close proximity to its star. The star Albalda, or Delta Sagittarii, is a yellow-white star located around 150 light-years away from Earth. It has three planets orbiting it. The outermost planet, Delta Sagittarii c, is a gas giant believed to be slightly larger than Jupiter. It is located in the habitable zone of its star, meaning that it could potentially have liquid water on its surface, and thus the possibility of life. Finally, the star Acela, or Zeta Sagittarii, is a yellow-white star located around 200 light-years away from Earth. It has two planets orbiting it, both of which are gas giants. The outermost planet, Zeta Sagittarii b, is believed to be another hot Jupiter due to its close proximity to its star. Even with our limited ability to fully see what is around every star, you can see that Sagittarius is home to a number of stars with planets orbiting them. These stars include Caius Australis, Nunki, Albalda, and Acela. All of these stars have at least one planet orbiting them, and some of them have the potential to support life. Throughout the years, various theories have been proposed, but none have been confirmed. Despite the lack of an explanation for the signal, Eichmann's discovery is still considered one of the most significant events in the history of astronomy. It has sparked a renewed interest in the search for extraterrestrial life and inspired generations of scientists to pursue the possibility. Jerry Eichmann's discovery of the WOW signal is one of the most important events in the history of astronomy. It has demonstrated that there may be other forms of life in the universe and has inspired generations of scientists to continue the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Eichmann's discovery is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of scientific exploration. So, could this have come from intelligent life on another planet hidden in Sagittarius? This past June, a team of researchers from the SETI Institute took on the challenge of solving this mystery. Using the original data from the Big Ear Radio Telescope and modern computing tools, the team was able to determine that the WOW signal was most likely caused by two comets, 266P, Christensen, and 335P Gibbs. The comets, which move through the night sky in an orbit that takes them near the radio telescope, are believed to have reflected the signal from the telescope back to Earth. The team believes that the reflected signal was strong enough to be detected by the telescope and was the cause of the WOW signal. The discovery is a major breakthrough in the field of astrobiology, as it proves that signals from deep space can be detected and understood. It also serves as a reminder that the secrets of the universe are still out there, waiting to be discovered. The team's findings were published in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics. They hope that their research will inspire others to take on the challenge of solving other mysterious signals from space. The WOW signal has been a source of fascination and speculation since it was first detected in 1977. Thanks to the work of this team of researchers, its mystery has finally been solved. What do you think? Is there life beyond our planet Earth? How can we establish contact? Let us know what you think in comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.